Hey guys, it's me. I'm back. This is January the 23rd, 2023. It is 9:21 p.m. and this is a how-to video explaining how to add fans to your diesel locomotives. So, if you ever wondered how to perfectly add fans to the roof of any diesel locomotive, well, this is how you do it. So, first off, you need a template. What I use is I use the Plano Jeep 38-2 fan hatches, which are either brass, like this one, or copper, like that one. And I basically use those as a template to mark off the location of where I want to put my fans. The first thing you must do, you have to find the center line of the locomotive because you don't want the fans to be offset. So I just use this, the fans here, mark the center of them, and then I tape the Plano hatch to the top of the locomotive. Once I did that, I traced it, and then I did a drill hole punch technique in the plastic, smaller than the diameter of the trace because you don't want to go outside that because you'll mess everything up. So once I did the hole punch technique, then I used my X-Acto knife, which I can't find, and I cut out the small hole. Then, using my Dremel tool, I forget what size this is, but while the Plano hatch is taped, you carefully sand around out the plastic until it's completely flush with the outer edge of the Plano hatch. And then, once you're done with that, take your electronic duster, air duster, or whatever, compressed air can, and clean out the area so that there's no debris in your way. I also use a vacuum cleaner because that's what I do. But yeah. And then once you're done with that, this is an Atlas fan. You can test fit the fan right in, and then you're all ready to go. So